Alright, so y'all probably clicked on this video here most likely because you want to see what the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic looks like hands-on, physically having it in my hands in comparison to something like the Galaxy Watch 6. Well, here you go. Or number two, you want to know why I'm most likely not going to be rocking the Galaxy Watch 6 this go around and then going ahead and rocking with more so the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic instead. And number three, we're definitely going to address what the other creator had to say because, you know, he went there and now, you know, we got to go there too, you know, show some receipts. But I was thinking, should we do that on a live stream? I don't know, let me know. All right, so let's go ahead and take a good look at the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic here versus the Galaxy Watch 6, hands-on and just deep dive down into the look as well as the design of it. So I went ahead and went into my favorite store, which is Best Buy. You guys already know they family on this channel here, as well as the place I go for all of my tech stuff, right? So when I first picked up the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, the first thing that I noticed is that it definitely is slightly more in weight than something like the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which is expected because that one was titanium, or even the Watch 6, which is what I like. Because like I mentioned in my last video, right, something about the weight of something being heavier to me just equates to quality, and the Watch 6 Classic definitely checks that box for me in regards to the quality of what I'm seeing out of this watch in my first take. Now, the next thing I wanted to do was I wanted to go ahead and just look at the two different color models, and after finally getting hands-on with it and seeing this watch here in person, I gotta say, like, hands down, y'all, the silver one, it has my heart, y'all. Now, I'm not saying that the black on black version looks bad or anything like that because I personally think that one looks fly too, but it's something about the shine on the silver Watch 6 Classic that just, it's got that sauce on it, y'all. I don't know if it was the lights inside of Best Buy or whatever, but I think the silver one will definitely be my go-to for the Watch 6 Classic because I can't wait to see when the sun hit it because I just know it's gonna be out of here. Now, another thing that I got a chance to see was some of the new watch faces that's also being added as well. Now, you can see a lot of them right here now. I'm gonna go more deeper into that once I actually get the watches here in-house this week. But you already know that I'm gonna be showing you a lot of some of the best watch faces that you guys can get out there on the market when it comes to the Watch 6 Classic or even the Watch 6 or the Galaxy 5 Pro or the Watch 4 or any Galaxy watch for that matter that you got. I got you on some watch faces. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Galaxy Watch 6 in both colors here as well. So here is the gold color, which seems to be more of a beige color to me than gold. It almost seems like it matches almost the color of the Galaxy Tab S9 series, which is that new beige color that they got. So I guess they either calling it gold, but it seems more of like a softer gold slash beige to me. And then the other one you can see right here is the all black color, which also looks good to me as well. Now, as far as design, right, to me, I feel like it's very similar to last year's model of the Galaxy Watch 5 as well as the Watch 4 that I have right here. And this was kind of like one of those, I guess, pet peeve of mine. Like, I wish that Samsung would somehow like give us some type of design change to the base model of the Galaxy Watch series, just because I feel like we're getting the same design from the Watch 4 and now we're in the Watch 6. I get it from the Watch 4 to Watch 5, but I feel like at least from the Watch 4 to 6 should be a little different, you know? Maybe, hey, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Now, still using the same digital bezel which was on the Watch 4, which I wasn't a huge fan of in the beginning until Samsung fixed out all the kinks, and then after that, you know, I felt like it was a pretty good addition to this watch. But this go around, I'm literally all about that classic model, and I can't front that silver one under the lights and probably the sun too. Fuego. But I'll have mine here in house, man, pretty soon this week, man. I have a ton of content for you guys that's gonna be coming y'all way on that. To me, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic just got that look to it this year, man, that just got me hyped to get it here in-house, start wearing it as my everyday smartwatch. But just wanted to show you guys all of that, man. And I think in regards to, because I know y'all came here for the response, but I think I'm gonna save my response to CJ for the live stream that's gonna be happening later on today.